Are you the restaurant owner who's struggling to keep your restaurant busy? Is your restaurant affected by average or negative reviews on the major reviewing sites? Did you know that better position on TripAdvisor and more reviews on Google attract more clients? Let us introduce RevFee, review collection tool for restaurants. All you have to do is to invite clients to your RevFee page, as for example, by giving them a feedback card with the RevFee address on it. Your client selects how many stars he would like to rate your business by tapping on stars. Then he has an option to leave a review on his preferred platform. The review leaving process is simple and it takes only 30 seconds to leave a review using RevFee. But what happens if a client wishes to leave an average review? You can set the filter of what counts as a positive or negative review. Let's say your client taps on 2 stars. He is then shown an internal feedback form which has predefined questions. Negative feedback is sent back to the restaurant. This allows you to turn your customer service around and improve your restaurant's reputation. RevFee helps you to gather more positive reviews, which leads to climbing the top of the TripAdvisor, Google, Yelp, and other rankings. Do you want to improve your restaurant reputation and get more clients? Then start using RevFee today.